Welcome to the Active Life March Movement Series, where we show you safe, effective movements to add to your daily routine. Let's get to work. Neck tension from desk work, weight training, or daily stress, we all feel it. And while a neck adjustment is safe and effective, it's not always necessary. Movements like this controlled articular rotation from functional range conditioning can be just as powerful. By adding a farmer's carry to keep the shoulders down, we get a deeper stretch through the traps and open up mobility through the entire cervical spine. Better range of motion, less pain, more control, right from your home.